Hello and welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Ashish Parekh. Now you would expect scientists to cheer when they have proved or discovered something, but in what could be a rare occurrence, an anomaly that raises question over the standard model of particle physics is being received with enthusiasm worldwide. Now the anomaly could potentially open up a new side of physics, and it poses a very serious question. Do we know physics at all? So what exactly is this discovery and why is it so significant? Well, it all started in 2001 when scientists at the Brookhaven National Lab, New York, observed that the particles called muons weren't exactly behaving the way they were expected to in the presence of magnetic field. Now they measured the value of muons' magnetic moment as well and found that the experimental value wasn't really exactly the same as the theoretical value. Now this was famously called the G-2 anomaly and has puzzled scientists ever since. Now muons are fundamental particles like electrons, usually called the fatter cousin of electrons given the fact that they are 207 times heavier. So what's the science behind this? Well, just like the electron, the muon also has a magnetic moment and it interacts with itself in a magnetic field. Now this gives rise to temporary particles around it which exist only for a brief period, yet they change the value of muon's magnetic moment as well. Now this change in value is measurable and it can be predicted too. However, the prediction did not really match the experimental value in 2001. Now, scientists did not really know if there was an error with the experiment or if they had stumbled upon a Pandora's box. Now, the deviation of value was just 0.00000000346, but still, it was big news. But why? Well, the standard model of particle physics, like they call it, is the holy grail of physics. Now, it explains exactly how every particle behaves or is supposed to behave. And the model is believed to be watertight, explaining everything that happens around us. This is why it is such big news when there is even the slightest deviation from the standard model, because it gives scientists hope that they are really within reaching distance of the key to a new dimension of physics. But why are scientists so excited and eager about this new key? Well, this is because despite being the basis of our understanding of physics, there are things that the standard model also cannot explain. So what are these things? Well, the standard model cannot explain gravity, it cannot explain dark matter, it cannot explain dark energy, and it cannot even explain neutrino masses. Hence, any deviation or discrepancy has scientists around the world on the edge of their seat. Now coming back to the discrepancy from 2001, well, it gave rise to a hope that there is physics beyond the standard model as well. And to be sure that the deviation in 2001 wasn't a fluke or an error, Fermilab shifted the giant magnet in which the experiment was carried out to Chicago. Now, with an even precise measurement 20 years since the first anomaly of 2.7 sigma was measured, scientists have said that the difference is now 4.2 sigma, which is much higher. So what exactly is happening? Well, to explain to us in detail what exactly is happening, we have with us B. Anant Narayan of the Indian Institute of Science, who with his co-workers also participated in the examining of the hadronic contributions of the anomaly using data and dispersion related techniques over the years. So Professor, first question to you of course is, how significant is this discovery and how will it disrupt the laws of physics as we know it?
The discovery is very significant. It does not disrupt the laws of physics, but requires us to extend the laws of physics, by which we mean that there must be particles that have not been observed before and that they would have to interact with particles that have been seen in such a way as to produce this discrepancy between theory and experiment.
And the second question is, of course, does this anomaly prove that the physics we know and believe governs the universe is just the tip of the iceberg?
Every era in science and physics produces unique challenges. The present one is one in which we need to make very precise measurements and push theory to its extremes. This is in contrast to some decades ago when every year there would be new dramatic discoveries. Since we now have a very clear we cannot access very high energy frontiers as it is too expensive, with the exception of the LHC, the Large Hadron Collider, and so we are probing the precision frontier. To that extent, at every stage in history, we are at the tip of the iceberg because it is bottomless.
Well, however, the scientists also added that the measurements have 1 in 40,000 chance of being a fluke. Hence, this cannot be called a discovery yet. However, what's more interesting is the fact that this data which has been released is only 6% of the total data that the muon experiment is expected to gather, which means that there is still a lot in store. Meanwhile, scientists hope that this is the key for a more powerful model that actually explains and puts all the doubts to rest about the universe, all the mysteries that we see, and also all the doubts that we have about our universe. Do let us know what you guys think about the muon G-2 anomaly, and also do you think this could change and alter physics as we know it? Do let us know your opinion in the comment section below, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to TV9 News.